Hey everyone, my name's John. I'm a Microsoft student partner for Wentworth in Boston, and today I'm going to show you a bunch of Windows 7 tips and tricks. Now the first thing I'm going to show you is the search tool. It's been around in Windows for a while, but a lot of people overlook it. I think it's one of the most useful features in Windows. To get to the search bar, you can open up a new instance of Windows Explorer, and you should find it at the top right of the screen. But what I prefer to do is open up the Start menu and typing in the text box in the bottom left. You can type in file names, applications, folders, pretty much anything you want, and Windows will find it on your computer for you. What I'm going to do now is show you the magnifier tool through the search bar. All we have to do is type in magnifier, hit enter, and we're up and running. The magnifier tool is pretty useful, I've found. You can zoom in on different portions of the screen. Say you left your glasses at home and need to read small text. You can pan around with your mouse and zoom in and out with these buttons over here. You can also use the keyboard shortcuts by using the Windows key and the plus and minus buttons. So it's a good way of zooming in on detail on the screen. The next thing I'm going to show you is arrow snap. So say you're working on two different things at once. We might be working on a report in Windows, Microsoft Word, or looking up research in Internet Explorer. We'll do a lot of flipping back and forth between these windows. So one of the easy things to do is snap to each side of the screen, and we have Internet on one side and whatever we're typing on the other side. We can also snap to the top by using this feature as well. So it's a good way to organize your thoughts. You might notice in Windows 7 that there's a new taskbar. It's called the superbar. You can now reorder icons on the taskbar, which is something that a lot of people have wanted to do since early versions of Windows, and I was pretty excited to see that it finally made it into Windows 7. Also on this taskbar we have something called jump lists. So you'll see on our little icons down here we can right click and a little box pops up. That's called a jump list. It has different tasks and features that the software has included. So we can pin it to the taskbar, we can start in private browsing in Internet Explorer if we're typing in credit card numbers, stuff like that. It's sort of based on software, so you'll see a lot of different options in the jump list. One other cool thing that I found in Windows 7 was the personalization features. We can personalize our desktops and backgrounds and even sound themes in Windows, which I thought was a pretty cool thing. They made it a lot easier between XP and Vista and Windows 7. Right now I'm just using the default, and I think it's pretty nice. Another thing that I'd like to show you is media streaming. So if we go to the network tab, we'll see a bunch of different devices connected to the network. You'll see my router here and the local computer. If we had other devices in here, let's say an Xbox or another computer, we'd be able to right click and set streaming options. So if I had a bunch of different media on my computer or an external hard drive, I could stream it to other devices pretty easily, just with a couple of clicks. All done in this pretty much Explorer window. So there are 7 quick tips about Windows 7. I hope you found it useful. Enjoy Windows 7.